Hey guys, hope you all are doing well and welcome back to another video. Yes, I know I have been inactive for a few weeks, but we are back with a secret to level up your trading game. If you are new to my channel, my name is Nadeem and I'll be sharing tips to help you improve your trading style. Make sure to subscribe and hit that bell icon so you don't miss another video. In today's video, we'll be talking about trading journals and creating your very own trading journal so you can keep track of your progress on a weekly basis and evaluate your trades at the end of each week. Stay tuned because I will be sharing my own trading journal and how you can download my trading journal and start using that from today. But first, what is a trading journal? A trading journal will help you keep track of your trades on a daily, weekly basis. So at the end of each week, you can look back at your trades, evaluate the type of mistakes that you've made and prevent yourself from making the same mistakes in the following week. Now, what are the benefits of having a trading log? Well, firstly, you'll be able to keep track of your trading journey and keep track of your progress on a weekly basis. Secondly, you'll be able to showcase your results. Now, if you go onto my Instagram, you scroll down, you'll see my results from 2019. In 2019, I tracked my results each day, each week, and I evaluated my progress at the end of each week. Now, whenever I hit some kind of a barrier in trading where I'm not seeing any type of results, this is where I'll take a pause, I'll look back at my progress, see what I've done in the past which helped me hit my targets and what actually pulled me down from hitting my targets. I will then evaluate my most recent weeks and find out exactly what is causing me to not hit target. The third benefit of having a trading log is so you can learn from your mistakes. Now, everyone makes mistakes, everyone will make mistakes. No one is a perfect trader, but you need to learn from those mistakes so you can prevent it from happening in the future. Now, last but not least, in my opinion, this is the biggest benefit of having a trading log, is that it will speed up your progress in trading. Now, if you are evaluating each trade as it goes along and you're evaluating each week, you will then be able to highlight where you are going wrong. You can then start working on these weak points. Now, if you compare it to someone that does not have a trading log, you'll notice that that person has been making the same mistakes that he or she was making a year ago. I've seen this many times over the years that I've been mentoring, that students will be making the same mistakes over and over again if they do not have a proper journal, if they do not track their trades properly at the end of each day and at the end of each week. Now, what is the drawdown of having the trading log? Well, it does require time for you to input each trade and evaluate each trade. Now, when I first started logging and evaluating my trades, it took me a long time to get used to it and get into the flow of things. But once you start logging and once you start evaluating on a weekly basis, rather than it becoming a chore, you'll actually start enjoying it and look forward to it. Now, when it comes to you actually logging your trades, my advice would be to log your trades as you go along. If you can't due to work, try to log your trades at the end of the day so it doesn't become a burden on you at the end of each week. Now, what does a trading log include? A basic trading log will include the currency that you are trading, the type of strategies that you are using, your entry rate, your stop loss that you are using and your stop loss in pips, the TP that you are using and your take profit in pips, the risk to reward of your trade, a screenshot of before and after of your trade, and an area where you can evaluate each trade. Now I will be showing you guys my trading log and how you can download it and start using it from today. Here is a template of a trading log that I use. On the left side here we have the week number and the date. And these are some of the points that you want to include in your trading log. So the currency pair that you are trading, whether or not that trade is a long position or a short position, the time that I took that trade, the date that I took that trade on, the entry rate of that trade, the stop loss rate of that trade, and you can also put this in pips in brackets, the take profit 1 and the take profit 2. Now, this is if you're taking multiple trades in that one scenario, then you will be taking TP1 and TP2. I've got a column for before screenshots and after screenshots so you can see how the trade played out. I've also got a column here for risk to reward. And then we have a column for win or loss to see how many trades you won in that week and how many trades you have lost. A column for your pips and a column for your overall profit. This is currently set in pounds, but you can change it to your currency as well. On the right side here, I've got a daily pip tracker to see my progress on a daily basis, and this will include the total trades that I took on that day, the positive pips that I caught on that day, the negative, the overall pips that I caught on that day, the wins and the losses, and the success rate. I've already put the formulas in here for you guys, so you won't need to do that. And then at the end over here, we have an overall summary of your week as well. I've also added this performance tracker in here as well, which will show you your performance on a daily basis based on the number of pips you caught or lost. Now, just to give you guys an example of what this will look like, so let's say we take a trade on Monday morning of Euro USD. This trade was a long position trade. It was taken at the start of London session, which is at 8 AM, and the date of this trade I'll put down as 9th of February 2021. The entry rate of this trade is 1.12. The stop loss rate is 1.119, which is about 10 pips. So all I'll do is put 10 in brackets. And let's say the TP of this trade is 1.125, which in brackets is 50 pips. I'll put that in brackets as well. I haven't taken a TP2 on this trade, so I'm going to leave that as blank. Your before picture can be captured from TradingView by taking a screenshot on your chart. So I'll put down TradingView screenshot as an example. And if I'm risking 10 pips and my gain is 50 pips, my risk to reward on this trade is 125. I've got a after picture, which will again be the same as my TradingView screenshot. And this trade was a winning trade, so I'll put down win. And I caught a total of 50 pips on this trade. And my profit on this trade is, let's say, £500. And there we are, we've logged the trade. Didn't take me too long. And on the left side, you will see the performance tracker has jumped up for Monday. We've caught a total of 50 pips. And as we progress, this will fluctuate between Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, depending on the number of pips you have caught or lost. So let's say we put down another 50 pips for Monday. We've lost a total of 20 pips on Tuesday. We've gained a total of 30 pips on Wednesday. Thursday was a great day. I caught a total of 150 pips, and Friday we lost 10 pips. You'll see the performance tracker has updated each day as we went along. This will give you a visual diagram on your progress on a daily basis. Now on the bottom here, I've already created week 1 for you. Once you've completed week 1, just right click and duplicate this tab so you can have another week of trading there. The link to download this tracker is in the description. All I ask from you guys is to subscribe to my channel and hit that bell icon so you don't miss another video. I hope you all enjoyed today's video. Make sure you do like, comment, share and subscribe, and hopefully I'll see you guys in my next video.